Hello, good everyone. My name is Owe Percy Olawale, and I'll be your tutor for this series of discourse. And I want you to do something for me. Help me and help yourself. Whenever you are attempting this course, I want you to bring your pen, your book, and your laptop so that all that you learn in this course won't be a waste. At the end of this course, you'll be able to design this website you're seeing on the screen. If you build this responsive and beautiful website with me, it's gonna be very interesting to work through this course with me. You're gonna be able to build this website, a website built by for a client, and I believe that as we go through this journey together, you'll be able to design this website by yourself and help others to build websites also. So, all what I want you to do for me is to pay attention to the details and go through this process with me. And the end of everything, you'll be very proud of yourself attempting this course with me. All right, see you in the next video. See you in class.